হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান। ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে আমরা যে জায়গাটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি এটা হলো মাসেলপাড়া সি বিচ। So not too far from Edinburgh city center, maybe 20 minutes drive, and also very close to the Portobello beach. As you can see, the view is very beautiful and the weather was very sunny that day. And আমি আমার বোনরা সবাই মিলে আমরা গিয়েছিলাম and we had a very good time there. Like see the watercolor. Uh, he's my brother-in-law, and they came from London to celebrate Eid with us. এই তো. So that day it was very quiet, of course, due to the time we'd been there. And we had a very good time, and from there we went to different places, and I will share the video with you soon. Till then, সবাই ভালো থেকো, take care, and goodbye.